this video, I am going to show you how to confirm that your Cash App account is verified. Verifying your Cash App account is essential for unlocking features such as sending and receiving larger amounts of money, as well as buying and selling Bitcoin. First, open the Cash App on your smartphone and log into your account. Once you're on the home screen, tap on the profile icon in the upper right corner. Here, you'll find your account information, including whether your account is verified or not. If your account is verified, you should see a message indicating that you are a verified user. This often includes a confirmation of your identity verification and access to all features. If your account is not verified, you will see an option to complete the verification process. To verify your account, follow the prompts to provide the necessary information, such as your full name, date of birth, address, and Social Security number SSN. Additionally, Cash App may ask you to upload a photo of your government-issued ID for verification. After submitting your information, Cash App will review it, and once verified, you'll receive a notification confirming your verification status. That's it. You've successfully learned how to confirm if your Cash App account is verified. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.